Hello everyone, I'm Ali Shadi and this is my YouTube channel Dabistan. I'm a teacher by profession and creating digital content on YouTube is my hobby. I'm based in Pakistan, my homeland, and I love it just as anyone can. I adore its vibrant culture, its people, and above all, its language Urdu, from which I derived Dabistan. Now you are probably wondering what is the meaning of Dabistan? Actually, it has many meanings, but don't worry, I won't leave you hanging in confusion. Dabista is a Persian language word which generally means school or madrasa. Another meaning which is associated with it is of school of thought or cohort. There was a time when Persian was the lingua franca of much of the Middle East and subcontinent. This is the firman, a royal decree and mandate issued under Mughal Emperor Aurangzeb and written in Persian, which testifies to my point. Those who are familiar with Urdu know that it is a mixture of Persian, Arabic, Turkish, and Hindi. Persian influences are still found in Arabic, Turkish, Hindi, and especially in Urdu. The most significant group of borrowings in Urdu is made up of Persian and Arabic loanwords. One such loanword is Kutub, which is originally an Arabic word but is now being used in Urdu. Kutub means books in both Arabic and Urdu. Therefore, the Dabist-e-Kutub can be translated as the group of book lovers, which can generally be considered synonymous with book buddies. I believe I have now clarified the concept of Dabistan. Now the question arises, what is it for? And equally, who is it made for? Dabistan is a book reviewing platform where I create both short animated and live video reviews of books. Here I also provide critical summaries and analysis to give an instant gist of the books. Apart from that, I also post audiobook summaries and podcasts, so you have multiple options to explore. Now the question is, why Dabistan? Why should you join? The simplest answer is that you love books. In fact, you adore them. They matter a lot in your life because you care about them. Above all, you have grown tired of the monotony of listening to the same kind of reviews. Now, you want to hear diverse, multicultural perspectives on books. The biggest catch about Dabistan is that it's for the go-getters, for all those hustlers who have limited time to spend on books. My reviewers are raving about Dabistan's exciting approach towards reviews. Join our community of book enthusiasts and let the pages of your book come alive in exciting videos like never before. Let's continue this exciting journey together. Thank you.